been able to do it the way we did it.
What's the top end on that bow you got?
About 100, 105.
Oh, great.
But we only did 60 today.
Right. No more than 60.
Right.